Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do the revision of the lesson number 6 of political party. So, first of all, we are going to see what is the meaning of political party. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest the election and hold power in the government. Means here we found that some group of the people, they are come together and discuss, and they are responsible for run the government or run the country. Then we see in here कि this all the party which establish the government of any of the country, they having a three components. Means any political party has the three components. First, the leader, the active members, and the followers. Any party needs its leader. Without leader it is impossible. So first we need the leader, then active members and the followers. These are the majors of these are the components of any of the political party. Then if we turn about the functions, so how this political party work, so we can see the main motto of the political party is contest the election. सबसे पहले political party क्या करती है? Contest the election. Then policies and programs, they decide the policies of their particular party, and they decide the programs which programs they are going to do when they will come on the position. तो वो क्या करने वाले हैं कंट्री के लिए और उनकी पार्टी के लिए, वो एक उनको सेट ऑफ रूल्स और नॉर्म्स बनाना पड़ता है. दिस वी कॉल द पॉलिसीज एंड programs. Then what is their task? Next task is their making a laws. They make the law for our country and implement to that laws. Parties form and run the government. After making law, with the law they run the government. Then role of the opposition. Suppose any one party is on the position, but another party who having a less vote rather the position party, he is in the opposition party. So that party role is very important to progress of that country. So role of opposition also very important, which is done by the any political party, which is done by the opposition party. Then parties shape the public opinion. Means what is the need of the public, that fulfilled by the any political party. Then access to the government machinery and welfare scheme. Then they have to access some of the scheme for the welfare of the country and for the welfare of the people. Then we can say why it's necessity. Political party system. Before seeing the political party system, we are going to see what is the necessity of that political party. So you know, dear children, if there is no political party is working, so country never work smoothly. Without any leader, we can say कि without any leader, the class, without any class monitor, class is not properly go through that particular norms, go through that particular position. The same here we can say, without the political leader, any kind of the government, or without a political party, any kind of the government can't work. Now हाउ मेनी पार्टी शुड वी हैव, तो कितनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होनी चाहिए. तो हियर वी कैन से कि पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम और पार्टीज थ्री टाइप्स, दैट इज द सिंगल पार्टी सिस्टम, बायो पार्टी सिस्टम एंड मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम. इन सिंगल पार्टी सिस्टम, you know, the China is the best example of the single party system. Then bio party system also we learn कि in biparty system that America is the example of the biparty system, and multi-party system, the India is the best example for the multi-party system. This is very 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 important. Now we are going to see about the national parties. So here we can say the political parties is of two kinds. Types of the political parties are national political party and regional political party. The national political parties, these are the symbols of the national parties, that lotus, watch, then we can see here the elephant. These all are the symbol of the national political party. We seen some of the national political parties: All India Trinamool Congress, then Bahujan Samajwadi Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Communist Party of India, Marxwadi. Then we see in the Indian National Congress and Nationalist Congress Party. These are the major national parties and signs are given here. Now regional parties. You know, dear children, कि in different state different political parties are working. These parties are found in their state only, that we call the regional political parties. So these are the different kinds of the symbols given here. I am giving you one or two examples also here. कि in Jammu and Kashmir, there is the Jammu and Kashmir's National Conference Party is working. Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party is working. Jammu and Kashmir's People Democratic Party is working. These are the regional parties. Same we can say in case of the Bihar, there is the Janata Dal, Lok Jan Shakti Party, then Rashtriya Janata Dal, Rashtriya Lok Samita Party. Means likewise in different state, the different party we found. Then challenges to the political party. The challenges to the parties, challenges to the any political parties, the 3 points are there. The first one is the lack of the internal democracy. Means party must have to take the meetings among the party members, and they have to uh, give them the active leadership. This is the major challenge. And second one, we can say the money and muscles power. Means some candidates get the position because of his muscle powers. Means he is a criminal, so he is used that criminality and get the position. Then next one, we can say meaningful choice. Means every every party give the tickets to that person only who is able for that particular position. Then how can the parties be reformed? So how can parties be reformed? In that we see yesterday we seen कि MLAs MP they can't change their position once they are in the once they are elected. That we seen. Means anti-defection law, affidavit, and every candidate must do the affidavit. Means they have to give the details of their property, criminal records to that particular party itself. Then compulsory internal election. Means compulsory internal election, it means it is necessary for any political party to hold their organizational election and file their income tax return. That is very 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 important measures to reform the political party. In sum up, we can say the suggestion to reforms the parties: check on misuses of the government machinery, provision to minimize the number of candidates, proper revisions of the voter list, provisions of the compulsory voting, and proper representation for the women, that we seen yesterday. Okay, so here this chapter is happily ended, which is the important notes for that chapter that I will going to provide you tomorrow. Okay.